Unless you've been living under a rock for the past few months, you're probably aware of the AI revolution that's currently taking place. Many creators feel that this technological advancement could potentially spell the end of their careers. However, as a photographer, I've chosen to embrace it and use it to my advantage. Over the last 3 months, I've been utilizing ChatGPT to enhance my communication skills and elevate my client relationship management. You see, communication has always been a challenge for me. I'm a creative at heart and I thrive on the artistic aspect of my work. However, the business side of things, including client communication, has often felt like a burden. I have used an array of CRM tools and task managers to manage my client communication. While I still use one of these today, there is one major limitation. Most of these tools will automate communication workflows by inserting email and messages templates to each stage of your lead to client lifecycle. But there is one problem. While these templates can be effective for certain reminders, they do lack the element of personal touch when it comes to client communication. This became truly apparent with my repeat clients, as they will receive almost the exact same emails through each step of the shoot process over and over again, creating the feel of a robot providing the notifications. I know, I get the irony here. I'm about to talk about AI here shortly, but it doesn't take away from the fact that in many instances, when I did change the content of some of these emails, they completely ignored it, as they thought it was the same automated message they always receive. Here's a specific example of a gallery delivery message. While it seems very nice the first time you receive it, by the third time you are likely to ignore the message and just click on the open gallery button and completely look over the extra note about submitting your images for retouching by a specific time frame to meet the delivery deadline. Now, AI has entered the picture, and through the use of ChatGPT, I have been able to revamp my workflow and modify my template approach. Now, instead of having template email message, I now use ChatGPT prompt templates for different stages of my workflow. This is where the true power of ChatGPT comes into play. The key is how you structure your prompts with specificity. Go beyond the simple, write an email response to a potential client asking for pricing, but instead, here's how I structure my prompts for the initial lead inquiry in one of my clients' journey. First, I provide ChatGPT a topic. In this instance, quick 2-paragraph email response. Then I define who the AI is in this instance, a commercial photographer based in Philadelphia. Provided an audience which consists of a potential client, shown interest in my photography services by reaching out via contact form, and give it a goal for this email. Thank them for reaching out and considering my photography services, share the excitement at the opportunity to work for them or their brand, and set up a consultation within the next 2 days. Write out the next 2 days. In addition, I provide a definition for the writing style: clear, friendly, and professional. Up until this point, this is all copy and pasted in from a template. Lastly, I give it context, which usually comes in the form of a contact form on my website or an email. For the context here is an actual contact form submission from a lead just this past week. And here's the actual message. Hi there, I am based in Philadelphia and own a small swimwear brand. I wanted to organize a product shoot for the next collection that I will be launching this June. And here is the draft that GPT put together in a matter of seconds. This whole process usually takes 60 seconds. It is pretty straightforward and it's pretty good. Similarly, I have prompts just as detailed as this one, but in the context of different stages of the client workflow. In conclusion, as a photographer, embracing AI and leveraging tools like ChatGPT has empowered me to improve my client communication skills and foster stronger client relationships. By incorporating a more personalized approach into my workflow, I've been able to enhance my client experience and create meaningful connections. So why not explore the possibilities of AI in your own creative journey? Give it a try and see how it can elevate your communication game. Remember, creativity is essential, but building strong relationships is equally as important in running a successful creative business.